another look at that pesky old scroll, huh? Let's see. Oh, yeah, you know, it is a camel we're looking for, all right. Hey, how are we doing on time? Barkley, come here. Let's see that old hourglass. Oh, look at that sand go. And we've only found one place. Hey, can't you stand on your head or something to make that sand go slower?
You know, we might as well get going, Barkley. We've seen everything here. A horse, a little bridge, an elephant, a camel. Come on.
A camel! Wait, Xiao-Fu! I think we found it! A camel! Look at the scroll! It's the camel!
Oh, we found two of the places. We're halfway to the Phoenix.
And there's the Monkey King with the next clue!
Where did he go? Don't go away. We need the next clue.
Sick of Barkley! Don't you ever stay in one place? We need the next clue. The sand is running out. The sand. Cinco in American. Haven't gotten past ni hao yet.
经过人河干河水的大象和透明的山。
Okay, that does it. Put up your dukes. I'm gonna go.
Wait. He said, past sea elephants who would drink the river dry. Past the see-through mountain.
Oh, swell.
Past the elephant who would drink the river dry. Past the see-through mountain. These clues don't make any sense at all. Now, no, Barkley. Come on. We gotta find the next picture so that we can get another swell clue from the Monkey King.
Come on, Lexi. Here it is, Danielle. This is the next picture.
You think so? Well, wait. We better take a look. It is! It's the next picture! Okay, where's that Monkey King? Well, I'll tell you what. We'll make it easy for him. You look down this side of the canal, and I'll go look down that side of the canal.
Okay.
Okay? Come.
At first the Monkey King will hide for day and night and far and wide. You couldn't find him if you tried, and you could look forever. He'll wear a suit for a disguise, and faster than a phoenix flies, he'll turn around before your eyes. That Monkey King is clever. He loves to hide, he loves to play, to tiptoe up and run away, to tease you and your dog all day, and even to flirtate. But when he's tired of hide and seek, he'll pop right up beneath your beak and blink inside and scratch his cheek because you didn't notice. So to try to make you see, he'll flip himself into a tree while you just sit and scratch your feet and fighting on your shoulder. He'll reach into his bag of tricks, pick 1 or 2 or 3 or 6, and be a monster just for kicks. The things he'll do are quite absurd, but he'll refuse to be deterred. He's always had the final word, the strangest thing you've ever heard, the very thought and not a bird, and nothing noticed by a bird.
wonder if this isn't losing something in the translation.
Come on, hurry.
Past the feathers that grow from the riverbank. Past the headless water buffalo. Clues are supposed to be helpful, Shampoo, and these just don't make any sense. We've got to ask somebody. Maybe that lady up ahead. Come on, Barkley. Thanks anyway, man. We'll just keep looking.
Excuse me, Barkley. What did she say?
She says she thinks that the next picture is very close to here.
The next picture is really close to here. Why, that's great. Excuse me, Barkley. That's really wonderful. Where is Barkley? 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 Now, where did he go? Barkley? You know that silly dog is always running away when I least expect it. I wonder where he went. Barkley! Well, he isn't very dependable.